Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about arrays in PHP. Arrays in PHP is a type of data structure that allows us to store multiple elements of similar data type under a single variable, thereby saving us the effort of creating a different variable for every data. The arrays are helpful to create a list of elements of similar types, which can be accessed using their index or key. Let's create a new file, array.php. Let's create a new variable subject and let's assign few subjects: maths, English and physics. This is a string type array. And let's create another variable marks, and this is integer type array, so 40, 42, 45. Let's print first subject, so subject, and then concat subjects and the index 0, so it will get the first subject. And then for marks, let's get the first index marks. So the subject, math and marks 40. There are various functions available for array, like this count. It shows the length of the array. And we can use another function like current subject. And then another function next. It will show the next subject. So the current is maths, and the next English, and the next is physics. And after reaching to the end of the array, it will not show anything if we use next. Let's use another function, array push. Array push adds another element at the end of the array. So array push and the subject chemistry. Let's show this array using printer. And here is the result: 0 maths, 1 English, 2 physics and 3 chemistry. So we have added a new subject at the end of the array by using array push. And array pop deletes the last element from the array. Let's try another array function. Total marks obtained and array sum marks. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.